In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete group in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. Then just search for a group you would like to delete. I got that test group here, and first off we need to enter it. Then we can tap add group's name at the very top, and if we scroll down to the very bottom we can easily find that exit group feature. If we tap on it, we can leave this group by tapping at exit group. However, the group and all the participants in that case will remain. So if we don't want participants to stay in group, we can remove them first. So we can just tap at any participant and then select remove from group. Unfortunately, we don't have remove all users option, so in that case we need to remove all of them one by one. Once we've done that, we can clear group chat, and after that we can leave this group. After we left the group, we can go out of here to chats, and then we can swipe to the left, tap at more, and then tap at delete group, and then delete again. That's it. We have just removed a group on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.